In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Duolingo. By the end, you'll know exactly where the setting lives, what each option does, and a few quick tips to make sure it works the way you want. Start by going to Duolingo. Open the app on your phone or tablet, or head to the site in your browser if that's how you prefer to learn. Dark mode is designed to make lessons easier on your eyes in low light and can help reduce glare and, on some screens, even save a bit of battery life. It's a small change that makes long study sessions a lot more comfortable. Once Duolingo is open, look for your avatar at the bottom of the screen and tap it. This takes you to your profile area, which is where all your personal settings live. If you're using a device where the layout looks a little different, just find your profile picture or account area. It serves the same purpose. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right. It usually looks like a small gear. This opens the main settings menu. Take a moment to let the page load fully so all options appear, especially if your connection is slow. From here, go to the General section. This is where Duolingo groups appearance and basic app preferences. If you have several categories, scroll until you see General and open it. You're in the right place when you see options that affect how the app looks and behaves. Now, find the dark mode option. It may be labeled simply as dark mode or appearance. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a bit. Some devices tuck it lower in the list. Dark mode controls the color theme across the app, including lesson screens, menus, and your profile. When you found dark mode, choose the setting that fits your needs: on, off, or system default. Selecting on forces the app into a dark theme at all times. Choosing off keeps the app in light mode. System default follows your device's appearance setting automatically, so if your phone switches to dark mode at sunset, Duolingo will switch with it. This is a great option if you like your apps to match your device schedule without manual changes. If the theme doesn't change right away, wait a second, back out to the home screen or relaunch the app. And if the option isn't available, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. That's it. You've enabled dark mode on Duolingo and tailored it to your preference. Enjoy your lessons with a theme that's easier on the eyes day or night.